Today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail. So let's say you want to highlight this little mouse person or whatever this is from Krita. So first you go to the magnet selection tool, and then you go up to setting Dockers, and you look for the tool options. Once you click that, then it'll either have a pop-up or it'll show up in your tab, and this lets you kind of select more of the tools. So you select add, because we're going to select a few things and then add them together. So with the little magnet, it kind of tries to find the biggest contrast and follow that. So you click around and you can connect it, and then you can do complete or hit the enter key, and you do the same thing for this circle. And I'm not doing it too perfectly, but the line will be pretty big, so it really won't matter that much. And then you go through the rest of the shape, and if you make a mistake, you can move the node down and circle the rest of it. Like I say, it doesn't have to be perfect because the line will be pretty big and it'll give you a pretty big buffer. Almost done. And I noticed that a lot of the YouTube videos for their thumbnails, they kind of did this to kind of show off their whatever they were trying to show. All right, so once you have the selection done, then we want to convert it to a stroke. So we go to edit and then stroke selection. And then we can pick solid line here. And we pick what color we want, and then we pick the width of the stroke. And we say OK. And then from there we can see that we have the outline. And you can just turn selection off so you can see it on the big picture. And there you go. For this next part, I'm going to show you how to add the title to the thumbnail. So we hit the little T here, we add our space, a pop-up will show up. We're going to change our text to whatever we want it to be. I'm going to say thumbnail. We get to pick the size of the font. There's also different fonts you can use. Get to pick the color. We're going to do black. Save and close. You'll see it there. Now we're going to duplicate this layer. And then very carefully, we're going to click on the letters themselves, and it'll pop up the edit text. This is a copy, so we're going to make this copy white, and that's going to be on top, and then we can drag it around so it kind of makes like a drop shadow. And that's all there is to it. If you don't mind, give me a subscribe and like this video. Thank you.